What have you done? You've taken my loaf of bread. That is not funny. Puka. Puka. You got that off my countertop. Look at the crumbs. Look at this. You should be very ashamed. Are you ashamed? Puka, look at me. Puka. Puka. I'm talking to you. Puka. I'm talking to you. Give me the bread. Put it down. Yeah. You're a wall dog. Okay. Do you want to go for a walk? Does Puka want to go for a walk? Alright. Puka wants to go for a walk. Yes, Puka does. Yes, Puka wants to go for a walk. Oh. Okay. Let's go. Let's go for a walk. Let's go. You want to go? I guess you don't want to go.